The word Tirupati means the respectable master. We carry out the meaning of our name as Tirupati Food Industries Private Limited. Established 3 decades ago, over the years have mastered the art to serve on quality, health and most importantly, customer satisfaction. Tirupati Food Group have the most efficient pulses processing unit with latest technology, modern machines and professionally qualified personnel to provide our clients with the most hygienic pulses. Tirupati Food, a SEDEX, USFDA, FSSC 22000 and ISO 22000-2005 HACCP certified entity. We enjoy a renowned reputation of being an importer, exporter, manufacturer, processor, packer and supplier of all kinds of pulses, gram besan, roasted chana, sugar, khichdi, papad, poha and sattu. A combination of reliable quality, cost-effective prices, consumer-centric approach with prompt and timely delivery of our products. Let our customers achieve their goals. With annual production capacity of more than 1.5 lakhs metric tons, along with our effective and efficient utilization of resources, we have a diversified range of products that can cater all types of food processing industries like snacks, sweets, horeca, ready-to-eat and retail sales chain sector and various other agro-product industries. Our products are moong, which is processed into moong dhoa, used for frying papad and sweets, moong chilka dal, moong sabut, used for grinding and sprouts, urad, which is processed into urad dhoa for papad, sweets, urad gota for South Indian dishes and bhalla, urad chilka, urad whole for grinding, dal makhani etc. Masoor whole for frying, masoor dal, masoor malka and masoor chanti. Chana dal for frying, gram besan, gram grit and papad, arhar dal for dal tadka, matar, lobia, moat, roasted chana, kabuli chana, rajma, kala chana, papad, gram besan for dhokla, son papdi, laddu and bundi, sugar, poha and sattu. We possess 5 state-of-the-art manufacturing units which are equipped with a range of globally advanced machines and apparatus. We use progressive sieves and allied tools to filter the impurities and foreign material, either organic or non-organic particles. Each individual grain has unlike shape and size, leading us to producing heterogeneous quality with uniformity. Our products are procured and processed with minimum human contact. We are also equipped with imported color sorter machine to precisely clean impurities from the products. Pulses, being a delicate commodity, need to be handled with care at every step to keep the natural texture and intact, retaining their nutritional value. Tirupati Foods besan grinding process is executed using hypersensitive machines equipped with modern mechanics that preserve the natural aroma, texture, color and taste of the output. After the completion of grinding process, the processed material is transferred to centrifugal for separation of gram flour particles according to the quality of besan we have to produce. The finished flour is then packed as per the requirements. Our products are packed in all variants and sizes such as 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg, 25 kg, 30 kg, 35 kg, 50 kg or as per the customer requirements. Our packaging unit includes multi-header packaging machines from the most reputable company which enhance our productivity and quality of packaging. It also includes in-house facility of offline as well as online printing of barcodes and labels by most advanced TTO and inkjet printers with stitching and online bulk packaging facilities. We have multi-checkpoint weight machines so that the weight of product is not compromised. We care about the environment and with the rising awareness, we seek to minimize and eliminate the release of any pollutants that may cause environmental damage. All our units have been granted non-polluting status and we strictly observe regulations in these regards. Our units are also operated on renewable energy produced by solar panels to keep our environment safe and pollution-free. Our quality control units are as per international standards equipped with online X-ray, online weight checking and metal detector facilities, our well-equipped in-house quality inspection lab is furnished with latest testing machines and equipment. We follow the best of quality testing measures with the help of the industry's leading quality personnel who randomly sample the packaged goods to make sure the product is completely perfect in terms of hygiene and purity. We rigidly follow these quality control procedures to ensure the delivery of promised goods. Our workforce also includes research and development staff, supervisors and marketing executives, amongst others, who have contributed in the success of this organization. Our competence has enabled us to cater to numerous renowned brands such as Amazon India, Adani Wilmar Limited, Grofers, Haldiram Manufacturing Company Private Limited, Parle Biscuits Private Limited, PepsiCo India Holdings Private Limited, LT Foods Limited, Reliance Retail Limited. Our decades of hard work and efforts have awarded us with Best Quality Supplier from Bharti Walmart for the year 2011. Support and Cooperation in Every Aspect 2013 award by Metro Cash and Carry India. Tirupati Food also cherished with the award Preferred Trade Partner in the year 2014 and 2015 for continuous supply of quality pulses from Aditya Birla Retail. National Energy Conservation Award by Tata DDL 2016. Safety Champion of the Year Pulses by Quest in year 2017. Best Agro Food Brand of the year 2019 by ET Now. Grofers Business Partner Award 2019 by Hands On Trade. Best Agro Food Manufacturing in Delhi NCR 2019 by Worldwide Achievers and Z Business. We believe in attaining highest customer satisfaction by delivering quality products and services to our critical customers. Tirupati Food, a symbol of quality.